Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. Today I want to do a quick first-person walkthrough on a 2020 Harris 230 Cruiser. This one has the center walkthrough dual helm, CWDH layout. We start here at the front of the boat. Got lounges on both sides. So there's your chaise. In each of the chaise lounge, you've got inset cup holders. They are lighted. So lighted cup holders with a little storage there in the back. So you can put your phones and other things back there behind them. This also has the floor lighting package, so it's going to have the floor lighting on the bottom there. Storage underneath all the seats, so you can keep all your towels or life jackets, all those other things inside. Use a double hinge there so that it'll stay open so it doesn't fall on you, crash on your head there while you're getting at anything. Here's your movable cup holder, so you can place this where you need it. That's another really neat feature right there. Before I go any further, I want to show you there's a giant in-floor ski locker here. Tons of storage in the floor. Place for your skis. Right now we've got the poles for the cover in there. Really awesome. Not everybody has that. Stepping back here, here's your helm seat. High back chair, folding armrests, real comfortable seat. Sitting behind your well-appointed helm here. You've got a speedometer, tachometer there. Hour meter in the middle of the speedometer. Fuel gauge and trim. Speaking of trim, this model has Mercury's active trim. So that is your controls for the active trim setup. That allows the controls from Mercury to handle the trim features for you. So as you accelerate, it's going to trim the motor out, and vice versa when you slow down. Right here on the dash, we have a 5-inch SIMRAD. 5-inch SIMRAD is going to have your GPS features, also your fish finder, depth finder on there, right next to the Fusion stereo head unit for the stereo. Tilt wheel, so you can get in there and get adjusted where you need to be. Stepping back a little further, got the upgraded acrylic table with cup holders and wine glass holders on it. Beautiful piece right there. There's your lounge on this side here. Again, more cup holders inset. You're not lacking for cup holders on this boat. There's a couple more back here on the back of the boat. I'm going to show you under this storage here is your battery compartment. The battery down here is your onboard charger, so you can stay charged up, and your switch there. You get back to port, just plug in charger, and ready to go for next time. There's your lounge on this side, storage under this side, like up front. Back here at the back of the boat, of course, there's your Mercury 150 4-stroke. Ski tow bar here, so you can tow tubes and water skiers. And extendable stainless swim ladder there. We upgrade all our models to that as well. Makes for a really comfortable, easy step out from the water. Also, we ordered this model with a 12-foot bimini. You can see the bimini there. Easily deployable, easy to bundle up so you can set it down if you need to. So overall, really great, comfortable boat. Go ahead and give you one more look at it. I'd like to invite y'all to come on by anytime here at MarineMax.com, or you can visit us 24/7 at MarineMax.com.